Now, one illustration we take up. So based on this, I'll explain what is CPM. Here we are given activities, predecessor activities, and the duration. And he is asking us to draw a network diagram for this project and find the critical path and the duration of the project. The previous lesson also we did the same. First we drew the network diagram, then we found the project's duration as well as the critical path. Similarly we do here. So first we should draw the diagram, network diagram based on the given information. Here A is preceded by nil, A is preceded by nil, B is preceded by nil, B is also preceded by nil. So no activity before that. C is preceded by me. That means C must start after B. So after B is here. B is here, so C must start here. C. D is preceded by C. D is preceded by C. And E is preceded by AD. So A and D. So we have to take one dummy, otherwise we cannot join these two. So dummy activity I have taken, it consumes 0 time. So 0, that is this one. And F is preceded by D. F is preceded by D. And G is preceded by AD. G is preceded by A and D, this one, dummy activity. And H is preceded by E. H is preceded by E. I is preceded by GH. I is preceded by G and H, because here this is one dummy activity I have taken. So J is preceded by I. J is preceded by I. And K is preceded by G. K is preceded by G. L is preceded by JK. L is preceded by J and K. And M is preceded by L. M is preceded by L. So we drew the network diagram. Now I gave the activity names on the arrow. Below I gave the durations of the particular activity. These are the durations. So 6 represents activity A's duration is 6, B's duration is 5, C's duration is 2, D's duration is 2, and E's duration is 2. Like that I have given for all till M. Now, how to first we find out the project's duration based on the forward pass method and the backward pass method. So next slide, for reference purpose, again the same diagram I have taken here for consideration purpose. For the reference purpose, I've taken this diagram as well as the problem here to refer this. See here, first, which always already I told you. So TE, that is earliest times, latest times you have to calculate. TE is equal to 0, always the starting node always is equal to 0. We must start with 0. Then go to next 1 to 2, that is 1 to 2. This is activity A is 1 to 5. 1 to 5 activity, this duration is 6. So TE1 we are taking, that is 0. TE2, that represents here 5. Okay, don't bother about the numbers here. Anyway, you can take TE1 plus this 0. TE1 plus this 5 will give you 0 plus 5, that is equal to 5. Similarly, TE3 is here. That means already we have got here 5 plus 2, that is 7. TE4 is here. That is TE3 plus 2, that is equal to 7 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So next 4 to 5. Next to T5. Where is T5? This one. So this is a maximum of these two have to take, A and D combination. So T5 maximum of TE1 plus 6. This one plus 6, or T4 plus 0. Whichever is maximum that can be taken in the forward pass method. That is 9 we got. TE6. Next one is 6. TE6 is equal to TE5 plus 2. That is 9 plus 2, 11. So next to TE7, this value. So TE7 is TE5 plus 6, this value we are taking. Okay. Then T8, for 8 we have two arrows are incoming arrows we have. That means the maximum of this activity, it consumes 0, but we have to take G. Okay, TE8. TE8 is maximum of TE7 plus 0 or TE6 plus 5, that is equal to 15 or 16, whichever is maximum of these two. You have to take, that is 16 is maximum. Next it's TE9. So for this only one activity is there. So TE8 plus 6, that is equal to TE8 we got 16, then 6, that is equal to 22. TE10 maximum of, for 10 also we have both arrows. One is K activity, another one is J activity. So maximum of these two should be taken. Maximum of 15 plus 4 or 22 plus 2, that is equal to 24. So 11th activity, 11th one. So T11, we have one activity, TE10 plus 3, 27. Or TE12, we have both this one as well as this one. So that is maximum of TE11 plus 1 or TE4 plus 1. So that is equal to 28 days. So we got the T earliest times TE times, now TL times. So backward pass method we have. So in the backward pass method, I've already told you. So whatever the value you got for the last node, so that is TL28. Similarly, for TE28 is exactly equals to TL28. You make it both equal. So assume TL also 28 right here. You take TL28, TL12 is equal to 28. Okay. So now you start from 12 to, next we go to 11. TL11 is equal to TL12 minus 1. Minus you have to do, reverse order we are going. Minus 1, that is equal to 27. TE10, TL10. TL10 is equal to nothing but TL11 minus 3. That is 27 minus 3 is 24. TL9. TL9 is where this one. So minimum of this, that is this one. TL10 minus 2, that is equal to 24 minus 2, that is equal to 22. So TL8, that is TL9 minus 6, that is equal to 16. TL7, TL7, for this we have both, one is here, another one is here. So minimum of those two should be taken. So TL10 minus 4 or TL minus 0, that is equal to 24 minus 4 or 16 minus 0, whichever is minimum, that is considered, that is 16. TL6, TL6 is TL8 minus 5, that is equal to 16 minus 5, that is equal to 11. TL5, minimum of TL5 minus 6 or TL6 minus 2. 15 minus 6 or 11 minus 2, that is equal to 9 minimum. So TL4 is this. So minimum of TL12 minus 1 or TL5 minus 0, minimum of these two is 9. So TL3 is TL4 minus 2, that is equal to 7. TL2, TL3 minus 2, that is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. TL1 is equal to minimum of TL5 minus 6 or TL2 minus 5, that is equal to minimum of 9 minus 5 or 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0 we got. Okay. Now, what are the critical activity? Critical activities means TE, where the TE values and TL values are same, that is a critical path. Critical path. See, TE00, this is same. Then you can come to 2. Here these two are same. Then 3, 4. Then you can go to 5, 6, 8. Then 9. Okay. Then 10. There's 11. There's 12. So this is a critical path like this. Okay. These values are same. Wherever TE and TL values are equal for the starting as well as the ending nodes. So that path is called the critical path. You can draw the thick line here like this. Just you draw thick line to identify the critical path in the network diagram.